We now look at the specific input screen for configuring the site. At the top, we see the new title bar and the newly added breadcrumb navigation. The title bar can be used to quickly switch between the different input screens connected to the configuration of the site without first having to return to the list of sites applications. I would now like to show you which input screens are involved and what the plus symbol is used for. I will only briefly go over the breadcrumb navigation at the end. It will be explained in more detail in another video. The cogwheel symbol on the right-hand side can be used to select whether the buttons for the application-specific or generic input screens are displayed in the title bar. Let's start with the application-specific input screens. The first button opens the specific input screen for configuring the site. This screen is also opened by clicking on the name or icon of the site in the list of sites applications. The name of the site is displayed in the first line of the button. The second line indicates the product name of the device assigned to the site. The next button opens the report template for displaying the measurement data. This screen can also be opened directly from the list of sites applications by clicking on the symbol for displaying the measurement data. The plus symbol is a new feature. It can be used to add add-ons to the site. Add-ons can be used to extend the functional scope of a site according to the modular principle. It is possible to add several add-ons to a site. Let's now take a quick look at how add-ons are added to the site. Click on the plus symbol to open the wizard for creating add-ons. In the first step, the add-on can be selected from the drop-down list. In the next step, the name is defined. You can freely select it. Finally, a summary is displayed. Click on the Create Add-on button to append the add-on to the site. A new button has now been added in front of the plus symbol. It opens the specific input screen for configuring the add-on that has just been created. The name defined for the add-on is displayed in the first line of the button. The second line displays the name of the add-on as defined by the add-on developer. Let's move on to the generic input screens. After clicking the cogwheel symbol, the buttons for opening the generic input screens are displayed in the title bar. Like sites, add-ons have both a specific and a standard input screen for configuration. As the specific input screen for configuring the add-on was opened last, the standard input screen for configuring the add-on is opened directly when the title bar is switched. The first button in the title bar now opens the standard input screen for configuring the site. The screen can also be opened by clicking the pencil icon on the list of sites and applications. The second button opens the standard input screen for configuring the site in developer mode. The third button opens the input screen for configuring the device that is assigned to the site. This screen can also be opened by clicking on the serial number in the list of sites applications. To summarize, the advantage of the new title bar is that all configuration screens linked to the site can be accessed quickly without having to return to the list of sites and applications each time. At the same time, the previous method of opening the individual input screens specifically via the list of sites applications is still available. Finally, for those of you who have been wondering how to return to the list of sites applications now that the back button has given way to the cogwheel symbol, I would like to answer this question. The new breadcrumb navigation can now be used for this purpose. The name of the currently selected customer is displayed in the first segment. The name of the site that is currently being edited is displayed in the second segment. By clicking on the name of the customer, the Sites Applications area is opened in which the list of sites applications can be found. If you have an account to manage multiple customers, the breadcrumb navigation also contains a segment with a house icon. Click on the icon to open the Customers area.